Hello everyone, a special announcement. Simplilearn is now offering a free generative AI course with certification. So in this video, we will explore the top 5 free generative AI courses. But first, let's discuss why Gen AI certification is important. Generative AI is changing the way we work, create, and solve problems. It's a type of artificial intelligence that can produce new content like text, images, videos, or even computer code. So getting certified in Gen AI is becoming important because it shows you have the skills to use the cutting edge technology in the real world scenarios. But Gen AI is not just for tech experts. It's being used in many industries like healthcare, marketing, education, and entertainment. For examples, tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT can generate human-like conversation, while DALE creates stunning artwork from text prompts. So by earning a certification, you prove that you understand how to use such tools effectively and responsibly. So a Gen AI certification help you stand out in the job market by showcasing your ability to work with popular AI platforms and frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or specialized APIs. It also teaches you practical skills like designing prompts, fine-tuning AI models, and working with large datasets. So these certifications are valuable for developers, marketers, and designers, and anyone who want to stay updated in today's fast-changing tech world. So they open up career opportunities in AI development, data science, content creation, and many other fields. So the demand for generative AI experts is growing fast as businesses look to automate creative tasks. So in India, generative AI experts average salary is 10 lakh per annum. And in US, the generative AI experts average salary is $115,000 per annum. So alright guys, the moment you have been waiting for is here. It's time to reveal the top 5 generative AI free courses. So buckle up and let's dive into the career boosting program that will set you on the path to success. So the first one we'll start with generative AI for beginners. Imagine creating text, images, and even music not with hours of effort, but simply by guiding an AI. Welcome to Generative AI for Beginners. So in this course, you will explore how today's smartest AI models bring creativity and technology together. So what you will learn? We will start with basics. You will discover that generative AI is and how it's changing industries like marketing, design, and technology. Then we will dive into fundamentals of AI models, including how popular tools like GPT and DALE actually work. You will explore text generation, how AI create human-like writing text using NLP, and image generation. You will see how AI tools can create or edit images based on simple description. But that's not all. You will also learn the skills every AI creator needs. Prompt engineering. This will help you craft the right prompts to get best result for AI tools. Finally, you will get hands-on experience using popular platforms like GPT, DALE, and others, building real-world projects you can add to your portfolio. So why to take this course? By the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation in generative AI concepts, gain practical experience with text, images generation tools, build projects to showcase your skills to potential employers or clients. Be ready for entry level AI roles like AI content creator, junior machine learning engineer, or AI specialist. And most importantly, you will prepare to grow in one of the world's fast changing and most exciting industries. So, are you ready to start your journey into the world of generative AI? Let's begin and turn your curiosity into real world skills. And second, we have Introduction to Prompt Engineering Fundamentals. Imagine having the power to guide AI models like ChatGPT and Claude, making them write answers and even think the way you want, all through just a few carefully crafted words. Welcome to Prompt Engineering for Beginners. In this course, you will discover how prompt engineering shapes AI communication and unlocks its full potential. So what you will learn? We will begin the basics. You will understand AI and NLP are how they are evolved and why they are essential across industry today. Then we will dive into the fundamentals of prompt engineering, the art and science of designing inputs that lead to powerful AI responses. You will explore AI and NLP basics, NLP fundamentals, introduction to prompt engineering, type of prompts, crafting effective prompts, analyzing and optimizing prompts, impact of prompts on AI behavior, how to personalize prompt, and how to do fine tuning with AI models. And at the last, you will learn real world case studies. So, by combining theory with practical exercises, you will develop real world skills in prompt designing and AI interaction. So, why to take this course? By the end of this course, you will master prompt engineering techniques to improve AI outputs, understand AI and NLP fundamentals, giving you a strong technical base. The third point is gain hands on experience by working on exercises, case studies, and projects. And you will create a portfolio showcasing your prompt engineering skills, and it will open doors to careers in AI content creation, NLP engineering, and conversational AI. Most importantly, you will be ready to apply these skills to real world AI application and keep growing in the fast moving industries. So, are you ready to become a skilled prompt engineer and shape the future of AI communication? Let's get started and turn your curiosity into powerful real world skills. The course link in the description box below. In number 3, we have Introduction to Generative AI Studio. Imagine turning your creative ideas into reality using the power of artificial intelligence. With generative AI, you can not only express your creativity, but you can also enhance problem solving and build innovative solutions. So, welcome to the Introduction to Generative AI Studio course powered by Google Cloud. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced professional, this course will help you to harness the power of generative AI. What you will learn? We will start the fundamentals. You will gain clear understandings of machine learning basics and essential foundation for working with advanced generative AI models. Then we will explore the principles of generative AI models and how they will enable machines to autonomously create new content from text to images and beyond. You will also learn fundamentals of machine learning. In this, you will understand the basics of our generative AI, and you will also learn generative AI models, learn how to create AI original content, and hands-on projects. Apply your learning through practical real-world exercises. So, why to take this course? By the end of this course, you will unlock your creativity. You will discover how generative AI can help you develop innovative content and solution. You will advance your career. You will gain valuable in-demand skills used across industries like art, design, and technology. And you will stay updated with cutting-edge technologies. You will learn about the latest advancement in generative AI and how they are applied today. So, are you ready to unlock your creativity and start building your generative AI? Let's begin your journey with the Introduction to Generative AI Studio course powered by Google Cloud. The course link in the description box below. At number 4, we have Generative AI Fundamentals, free course powered by Google Cloud Skillup. Imagine a world where machines don't just follow instructions, they create text, images, even music, all generated by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the fascinating world of generative AI. In this free generative AI course powered by Google Cloud, you will explore how machines autonomously generate new content and how this powerful technology is transforming industries worldwide. Designed for beginners, so this course will help you unlock creativity, gain practical skills, and understand the future of AI. What you will learn? We will begin the basics, demystifying the generative AI and its development. You will understand how AI creates original content and the fundamental principles behind it. You will explore generative AI fundamentals, generative AI models, type of data generation, real world application of generative AI, ethical considerations and training and optimization, limitation and challenges with generative AI, case studies, future trends of generative AI, and why to take this course. By the end of this course, you will enhance your skills and stay competitive in evolving tech landscape. You will unleash your creativity by mastering generative AI concepts. This course will open new career opportunities in industries using generative AI. You will develop strong problem solving skills through practical learning. You will gain project knowledge useful across various domains. You will gain industries relevant knowledge that can be applied immediately. So, are you ready to explore the creative side of AI and build your future in one of the most exciting field of technology? So, let's get started with this free generative AI course powered by Google Cloud. The course link in the description box below. And the last, we have ChatGPT 101 what is ChatGPT course. So this beginner level course will introduce you to ChatGPT and how it works. Through 1 hour of video lessons, you will learn the core concepts behind ChatGPT, including natural language processing, machine learning, and text generation. This interactive lessons covered real-world examples and use cases of ChatGPT. You will gain first-hand experience interacting with ChatGPT prompts and understanding its capabilities and limitations. Topics covered are introduction to ChatGPT, how ChatGPT works, including architecture and training data, what are the ChatGPT capabilities like text generation, summarization, coding, question answering, and many other things. Real-world use cases of ChatGPT, including education, marketing, customer support, limitation of ChatGPT, ethical applications of AI like ChatGPT, hands-on prompts, and experiments with ChatGPT. So what are the benefits of completing this course? By the end of this free ChatGPT course, you will have complete understanding of what ChatGPT is and its capabilities. You will be able to utilize ChatGPT for other activities, including getting quick summaries of long articles, proofreading and editing text, automating simple tasks, brainstorming ideas and outlines. For your professional work, you can use ChatGPT for content creation, customer support, market research and analysis, programming assistant. Overall, this course will make you confident in experimenting and unlocking the potential of ChatGPT. So the course link in the description box below. So opportunities like this don't come often. Grab these free generative AI courses and start your learning journey now. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question or doubt, please feel free to ask in the comment section below. Our team of experts will help you as soon as possible. Thank you and keep learning with Simply Learn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simply Learn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.